All right, this is the moment of truth. I've got this steering cable disconnected. It goes back to the rudder. And so I can now move this thing freely, but I gotta get this end of a steering cable, which runs underneath the boat and then runs it up behind the steering wheel. There's a chance that if I pull this through, I can't fish this new one back through. So I'm gonna tie a string through it, pull it backwards, and then I'll have that string to fish that one through. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah. This is a complete disaster. Complete disaster. I got 2 weeks. Yep, gotta make sure that goes through there. Gotta make sure. There's all kinds of crap here. Okay. That feels pretty good. Okay. Now, if that string came off, I'm in trouble. I see yellow. Is that sweat on my nose? Beautiful. Come on. It's a little tight. Oh, oh. Oh, look at that, Becky. Oh, look at that. There she is. It's a great day for this. Great day. Keep getting sweat on my nose. Yeah, that made it through here, and I was telling you about where it hooks up, but this is called a What are you laughing at?
It's really hard to care.
It's hard to care? Okay, you go back inside.
It's really interesting.
Uh-huh. This is gonna take a while. Rebuilt rudder box. Ready to go in. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful.